What if you could build an entire web app just by describing it in plain English? I am inside Vercel's V0 and all I am going to type is create a modern SaaS dashboard with analytics cards and dark mode. Now I hit enter. Within seconds, V0 generates a complete interface. Not just to design mockup, it creates actual code. You get a live preview, responsive layouts, modern UI components, and production ready React code. And this is why developers, founders, product managers, and designers are paying attention to V0. Today, I'll show you what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth using for your next project. V0 is an AI-powered application builder created by Vercel, the company behind Next.js. Originally launched as generative UI tool, V0 allowed users to describe a user interface and instantly receive React and Tailwind code. Over time, it evolved into a much more powerful platform that can help create complete web applications. The workflow is simple. You describe what you want. For example, create a landing page for an AI startup or build a customer management dashboard. V0 generates the interface, writes the code, and lets you iterate using follow-up prompts. Instead of manually designing every component, you simply checked with AI and define the results. One of the biggest advantages is speed. Tasks that might take hours of UI development can often be completed in minutes. It also integrates naturally with modern technologies like React, Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and shadcn UI components, making the generated code much easier for developers to extend. For startups and product teams, this means faster prototyping. For developers, it means less time building repetitive interfaces. And for non-technical users, it gravitatically lowers the barrier to creating web applications. So, is Vercel V0 worth trying? If you build websites, SaaS products, dashboards, MVPs, or internal tools, the answer is yes. It's not magic, and you still need development knowledge for complex production products. But when it comes to turning ideas into working interfaces quickly, V0 is one of the most impressive AI development tools available today. The ability you go from simple prompt to functioning application in minutes is changing how software get built. If you have already tried V0, let me know how your experience in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the full article link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.